Today we're going to be unboxing the TK-D240. It is a VHF radio. Its UHF version is the TK-D340. As we can see, we've got one in front of me here. The box is lightweight, about 0.7 kilograms. On the side here, you'll get a sticker which will have your serial number and tell you what radio model it is. You also have the ETSI sticker, which is the same as the one at the back of your radio. In front here, we have the blue sticker, which is from our warehouse. If you purchase the radio from us and then it's been to our workshops for programming, then this sticker will be red. If you scan the QR code, it will take you directly to our Kenwood SA website. So now we're gonna look at what's inside the box. First thing you'll find when you open the box, it's the manual. We have the TK-D240 radio. We have the KST35S charger with adapter, which you plug in at the back. We have the KNB45L battery. We have the belt hook. We have two different kinds of side caps. You can either use this one or this one. You have to use a KRA26 antenna. Remember, very important note, the antenna does not come inside the package with the radio. You have to purchase it separately.